you know that?
Welcome back, followers of Did You Know That? Today, we have something new and exciting for you. I am going to give you 10 statements that have either true or false answers.
If you are capable of answering 6 or more, then you are smart. Number 1. It is possible for a human heart to create pressure that would make a waterfall from blood of a height of 9 meters. True or false? True. As we know, the human heart pumps blood all over the body with high pressure. If it finds a hole in the body, it will go up to 9 meters due to the pressure. And I advise you to not give it a try. Number 2. Dolphins sleep with their eyes open and half of their brains are active during sleep. True or false? This one is definitely true. This is because they need to occasionally come up for air and keep an eye out for potential predators. The ability to stay partially conscious also allows them to continue to get air while sleeping in order to survive. Number 3. The tongue is mapped into 4 areas: sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. Each area is exclusively responsible for different basic tastes. True or false? False. The entire tongue can sense all of the tastes. The receptors that pick up these tastes are actually distributed all over the tongue, and they recognize all tastes. It is down to the cells in the brain to work out which taste is which. Now let's proceed to number 4. Human beings have 5 senses. Is this a true or false statement? Believe it or not, this one is false. We have more than 22 senses. The traditional ones that we are aware of are eyesight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. A few examples of the other senses are sense of balance, sense of movement, sense of pain, and sense of passing time. Number 5. Sharks have the sense of electroception, which is the ability of feeling electrical fields around them. What do you think? True or false? True. Sharks can detect electrical fields in their environment, including those emitted by prey it cannot necessarily see. They are even able to hunt their prey hidden in the sandy seafloor thanks to their ability to listen to their prey's heartbeat. Number 6. The color red makes bulls very angry. True or false? False. Bulls and other cattle are partially colorblind and cannot see the color red. They are, however, defensive creatures that will charge when threatened, angry, or just annoyed. It turns out that the color red isn't what causes bulls to attack. In fact, bulls don't seem to have any color preference at all. They'll charge whichever object is moving the most, which means this old myth can get tossed right out of the ring. Number 7. Bananas grow on trees. True or false? This one is false. Bananas grow on something that is the size of trees, but the banana tree is not actually a tree. The banana plant, which can grow up to 25 feet, is actually the world's largest herb. When you carefully inspect a banana plant, you'll notice that it doesn't have woody fibers. It has strong stalks and leaves, yet it lacks the trunk and branches that would qualify it as a tree. Now, number 8. Bats are blind. True or false? False. Bats see in black and white, and at night they see actually better than we do. They lack color receptors, but in low light, we can't see colors either. Perhaps this myth about blind bats arose from the fact that bats don't see as well as we can in daylight, or because they can navigate without sight. They see just fine for their environment. Number 9. It takes 7 years to digest swallowed chewing gum. True or false? False. Chewing gum does not take that long to digest. In fact, you don't even have to digest it at all. Aside from a small amount of sweeteners and flavorings, there's really not a lot inside the gum that the human body can actually break down and use. The bulk of gum is made out of rubbery polymers known as elastomers, along with glycerin and vegetable oil-based ingredients to keep the gum soft and moist. Once the body has extracted what little it can from the gum, the rest is passed along as waste, just like anything else. On to the last one. Number 10. Tigers regularly prey on humans and kill often. True or false? False. Tigers do not normally view humans as prey, but they will attack humans if threatened. In most cases where tigers aim to prey on humans, it is because of the absence of the tiger's regular prey species due to habitat loss. Tigers' hunts are only successful 1 in every 10 to 20 times. And to add, an adult tiger can consume up to 88 pounds of meat in one meal and will usually stay with its kill or bury it to return and dine over a period of days. It may not kill again for 4 or 5 days. Alright, that's all for this episode. I hope you enjoyed.
Don't forget to tell us how many you answered correctly by commenting on the video down below.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you.